In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Google Forms to Microsoft Form. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow that starts in Google Forms and ends with a fully editable Microsoft Form. Using a PDF as the bridge between the two. Begin in your Google form at Forms. Google.com, open the form you want to move. In the top right corner, click the three vertical dots, often labeled More. From that menu, choose Print. This doesn't actually print your form, it opens a print preview so you can save a clean copy. In the Destination or Printer dropdown, select Save as PDF or Print to PDF before you save. Uncheck headers and footers. Turning those off keeps your export clean by removing extra dates, page numbers, and URLs that can confuse the importer. Once that's set, click Save and choose a location on your computer so you know exactly where the PDF lands. Now switch over to Microsoft Forms at Forms Office.com. On the home page, select Quick Import. This feature reads your PDF and converts the questions into an editable Microsoft form. When prompted, upload the PDF you just created. Next, you'll be asked whether you want to build a form or a quiz. Pick Form if you are collecting information without right or wrong answers. Or choose Quiz if you plan to assign points and track correct responses. After you make your selection, click Start Review. During the review, Microsoft Forms shows you the imported questions so you can fix any formatting errors caused by the conversion. This is normal, especially with longer descriptions, special characters, or complex layouts. Carefully read each question title and option. Make sure multiple choice options are separated correctly. Check that paragraphs haven't merged into single lines. And confirm that scales or ratings appear as expected. If the Google form used section headings or hints, verify they appear in a sensible place. Adjust wording, spacing, and choices as needed to match your original intent. Images and complex tables don't always come through perfectly in a PDF-based import. So this is your chance to tidy up anything that looks off. When you are satisfied with the review, your Microsoft form is ready. You've successfully moved your Google Form content into Microsoft Forms by exporting a clean PDF and using Quick Import to rebuild it. That's the full process from start to finish. Export to PDF with headers and footers off. Import through Quick Import, choose Form or Quiz. And use Start Review to polish the result. Thanks for watching.